If you're a KNUST student and you're having issues with your course registration, or you've not registered your course, you need a guide to register your course, surely this video is for you. So let's get started. To begin with the registration, we open any browser of our choice and search apps KNUST. Okay, this is a way of accessing the student portal. Okay, you can search the apps.knust here, which gives you access to almost all the KNUST student portal that we have. So we have the student portal here, the admission portal, staff portal, and job application portal, and the rest. We will need the student portal to do this. After clicking on it, it will bring us to this page where we will have to log in with our credentials. You don't always have to search with the apps. So in case I'm to open the browser and have a new page here, as we have here, I can just search the KNUST student portal to go straight to the student portal, just like we have here. Okay, so when we come here, you can as well download the app so that you can use the app in doing this. If you have any issue, you can create a ticket here so that they will be able to assist you with any issue you have with your portal, or reset your password if you've forgotten your password. Alright, so we will enter our student credential. That's the username, the student ID we have, and also the password. So after entering all these details, we will click on login to log into the student portal. After logging into the student portal, we have a lot of tabs here and a lot of things that you can do, but you go with the course registration. So you locate the course registration up here and click on course registration. Here are some of the instructions we have for course registration. So with step 1, you register your compulsory courses. Step 2 is the elective courses. Step 3 is when you have any receipt or supplementary that you have to write for a semester. You see the summary of whatever you are about registering for, then your consent of the registration. So we'll just move straight to proceed to course registration here. For this particular semester, these are the compulsory courses that I'll be registering, and they are respective credit hours. So we have the first one with this credit hour and the second one. We will click on proceed to move to the next stage. Alright, so we have this alert here stage, the strategic management and policy have been added. Kindly proceed to save it. Okay, so I think there's an alert of a new course being added to the list of courses that I'll be doing for the semester. So I'll continue and register these courses. Minimum is 1 and maximum is 5. You are not supposed to do more. So in case you are registering the course and you find out that it is exceeding the number of courses that you are supposed to register, you can also prompt the authorities, or you can also put it in the comment section and we will be able to assist you. So after doing this, they've already been selected. Okay, so I'll continue and move to proceed to get to the last stage. Here are they. You are supposed to have a maximum credit hours of 18 and a minimum of 14. Okay, so in case they don't correspond with whatever you are doing, you make sure you prompt the authorities, or as well put it in the comment section and we'll be able to assist you. So here are the number of courses that you'll be registering, and on deferred credit hours, deferred. Alright, so the total credit hours, that's what we have there. It's not exceeding this, it's not below this one. Here are these are the compulsory ones, and you can't do anything to it, but these ones, yes, you can remove. Once you have this, you can delete all selected courses and start over, go back, or save and print registration slip. So you will save this one and print. You have successfully registered your courses. Okay, that's it. You can as well print, if you are registering for the first time, you have to print a PDF file of the registration slip, which you can keep for yourself. Alright, so this brings it to the end of this video, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any important student guide. See you in the next video.